Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show how to make cartoon character in Character Creator, then export it into Blender. I'm Character Creator. In the contest windows, click on Project, select Avatar. Then click on the toon. Select your character then. Choose Replace All. You can use the Morph modifier to add some changes to your character. Let gives it some hair. Now let give her some clothes. When you're happy with your character, then you can export it. To export your character into Blender, first go to File, Export, then choose FBX Close Character. Then form the prefab, you select Blender. Make sure you uncheck Embed Texture. So here I'm going to export only the mesh. You click on Export, then you select your folder. Then choose name you want to give the character here. I choose her. Now open Blender, select the file, then Preference, Add-on. Then we have to install the Character Creator Importer add-on. It's free, you can download it from GitHub. Press N, then select CCCI. Click on Import Character, locate to where you save your character. After you have import your character, go to the Rigging and Animation tab. Select Advance, make sure Full Face Rig is checked. Then click on Attach Meta Rig. So after the meta rig has created, then click on Generate Rigify. Now you have completely rigged your character. Then you have full face rig. Then it also has shape key. that can be used to animate the facial expressions. I will provide the link to download the final blend file. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.